I don't know about you guys, but I am low-key glad COVID's over because it is travel season, my guy. Everybody's trying to travel right now, and honestly, if you are or have been wanting to travel, now is the time to travel. Yo, flights are cheaper than, I was looking at a flight to Tulum. I think it was like $250 from New York. A bungalow is like $50 a night. So basically, I can go to Mexico for an entire weekend for $500 and create memories and experiences of a lifetime. My God, if you've been trying to travel, you gotta do it now. But you gotta be smart. You gotta listen to your older brother. Your older brother's gonna give you 7 travel tips you need to do right now post-COVID to make sure everything goes smooth. Let's hop into it. See, this takes me on to tip number 1. Travel now. See, experiences, memories, these are invaluable. There is no price tag you can put on them. Well, there actually is. There's a monetary price tag. But like I was saying in the intro, now is the time to do so. See, if you've ever wanted to travel to any part of the world, the flights right now are insanely low because these airliners are trying to bring people back to the airport and fill their airplanes. You can be one of those first people and start enjoying some of these sceneries at fractions of the price. Which takes me on to number 2. Wear something comfortable. Yo, when I'm in the airport, I love to wear comfortable stuff. One of my favorite pieces to wear is just a heavyweight sweatsuit. A heavyweight basic sweatsuit. One, it gives me versatility. If I'm layering a t-shirt underneath, I can easily take my crew neck off, feel more comfortable, and then when I'm about to go to sleep, I'm getting cold, I'll throw my crew neck back on, and then I'm good to go. The heavyweight fabric feels like a blanket, you're good to go. It's easy to go through TSA, not to mention that if it fits right, you actually look pretty dope. You look athletic, you look stylish, and you're comfortable. A heavyweight sweatsuit is like basically the suit for the airport. If you don't have one, you need to get one. Number 3, try to pack everything on a carry-on. See, carry-ons are cheaper because you don't have to pay to get it checked in. On top of that, you don't have to worry about it getting lost when you get to your destination or getting mistreated. On top of all that, it's also more comfortable and easier to walk through the airport with a carry-on, especially if it has 4 wheels, because you're zooming. You don't have to waste time in check-in, nor do you have to waste time getting off the plane and going finding your luggage. It's literally a breeze to travel when you can pack everything in a carry-on. And it's low-key a subtle flex when the carry-on actually looks good. Like for example, this is my go-to carry-on. This is from KarlFriedrich. This is an ultra lightweight aluminum built travel carry-on case, which just it speaks for itself. It'll elevate anything that you got going on as you walk through the airport, and I mean, it's a flex. Like, just look how good it looks. I chose the dark chocolate one just because I think it's a little classier, so if I ever want to dress up, it's a business flight, yo, you look good. On top of that, it has its own external battery that you can easily plug into. It uses a simple 2-latch locking mechanism, so no having to deal with annoying zippers. It uses vegetable tan Italian Vincetta leather. The wheels are from Japan, from a company called Hinomoto. They're called Silent Run, and legit, those things are smooth and silent, and like you can be booking it down the airport. This thing keeps up with you. And like everything else with KarlFriedrich, the overall suitcase just feels premium. It's just, it is ultimate luxury. But unlike luxury brands, there's no middleman. See, KarlFriedrich ships these products directly to you, so they're able to sell you a product that would cost $3,000 in a store for a fraction, a fifth of that price. On top of that, they never do discounts. See, the products are so affordable that it's very hard to do a discount because they're already giving you top-notch quality. Well, for you guys, because you're part of the TMF family, they're gonna hook you up. If you guys want a killer travel case, like this thing will be with you for the next 20 years type of thing, you need to check this one out from KarlFriedrich. I'm gonna have it linked down below, and there's gonna be a special limited time code. This code's not gonna last a long time because like I said, it's very hard for them to do a discount, but they're doing this just for you guys so you can pick one up and be ready for travel season. If you guys want to check out KarlFriedrich, it'll be linked down below. Which takes us on to number 4. Always pack a Dopp Kit. See, a Dopp Kit will have your essentials, your basics. I'm talking your toothbrush, your toothpaste, your deodorant, your sunscreen, and your face wash. I try to keep it to my minimal stuff. I also have my hairbrush and my hair products, but I try to keep it as simple as possible to make sure I can keep up with my grooming routine with minimal product. That way you don't have to overpack and you can create more room for your clothes. On top of that, a Dopp Kit's a smart idea because when you have all these consumable products, it's very easy for one of them to pop in the luggage and then all your clothes are ruined. If you have it in a Dopp Kit, it'll be contained inside that Dopp Kit and you got nothing to worry about. Number 5, always have a change of clothes handy. See, I always carry a backpack through TSA just because it's simple. I have my basic essentials like my car keys, my wallet, that type of stuff. I also have my work essentials like my chargers and my computers, that type of stuff. But I also like to carry an extra change of clothes. And this is just an underwear, a pair of pants, that type of stuff. Just because if it's a long flight, you can easily change in the middle of that flight so you can freshen up and not feel so scummy. And also, if for whatever reason your luggage gets lost or mishandled or misplaced, you at least have one change of clothes that you can have as soon as you get to your destination while you fix everything else out. Number 6, only pack one pair of shoes. See, when I travel, I try to pack one shoe. That's it. If anything, I'll take 2, one on me and one inside the luggage. And for me, that's a basic white pair of leather sneakers. See, this is my ultimate travel sneaker because I just wear it with anything. I can wear it with my tracksuit. I can wear it with shorts. I can wear it with jeans. I can wear it with a suit when I need to dress up for dinner. Like, it doesn't matter what the event is, I could probably wear those sneakers. And now, since shoes take up the most space in luggages, I've minimized that to just one pair, giving me more room when I pack to be able to stuff more stuff in there. And finally, number 7, buy your flights on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. See, if you want the cheapest flight possible, there are already cheap flights right now, but if you want the cheapest one possible, buy on Tuesday and Wednesday. See, here's the thing. Everybody flies out on Fridays or Saturdays. This is why those days to fly out, since the demand is so high, the prices are really high. If you want cheap flights, I want you to fly out on a Tuesday and fly back on a Tuesday and Wednesday. Nobody flies in the middle of the week unless it's business, so it's a lot less demand. Therefore, if you're traveling somewhere and want ridiculously low prices, travel on a Tuesday or Wednesday. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Those are 7 travel tips, expert travel tips you need to do this post-COVID season so you can travel ease-free, care-free. So you can travel carefree. Or you can travel. You can travel. Relax. So you can travel like a pro. That's basically it from me today, boys. If you guys like it, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, don't forget to check out our sponsor, KarlFriedrich. They're going to be linked down below as well. That's it from me today. See you next time.